Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading, and today we had a nice little sideways trading day. Anyways, today we're going to cover SPX, Meta, Gld, Avgo, and Visa. Let's start with SPX real quick. Like I said yesterday, we will probably be still stuck in between these two lines, which I'm kind of right, even though we did open and went way below, as you can see, but we'd still end up not breaking this red line. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Maybe we'll finally break it. Anyways, let's move on to Meta. Meta had a nice little break of this gap 1, and now we are using it as support. Kind of hilarious. That means that Meta is probably ready to do another bounce up to the positive side. Let's see what happens. Let's check out Gld. So Gld is still using this area as support. We are just lollygagging sideways pretty much. So for those looking for buying opportunity, whenever it hits this area, which is about 1.3% away, that's a good support. It's not perfect support obviously, but we are using it as a good support for now. Now let's move on to Avgo. So Broadcom did a nice little bounce to the upside, and now we are retesting this purple trend line, and we are not fully breaking it just yet. But if we are to break it, we're gonna face some difficulty right there, which is 2.5% away from gap 2, and then we have another 7.5% until gap 1. This should be an interesting week. Now let's move on to Visa. So Visa did actually break gap 1 pretty much today, which is looking very interesting. But this was a measurement from March. So now we have to update this to an overall downtrend. That way we can get a better feel of what's going on. Let's do that real quick. So we did break gap 2 at a level 1, but as you can see, we have an insanely big gap of uncertainty. So if we were to reach gap 1, we have another 3.5% to the upside. But there's a lot of distance, which is annoying. So if we take a second and really think about what's going on, a lot of these stocks are starting to hit their main downtrend lines, and I don't know what's gonna happen, but that might be the beginning of our next leg down. So right now might be a good time to start taking profit even more, but who knows, if we break it, we might have a big explosion to the upside. Anyways, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.